Hey, what are you up to today?
Oh, I decided to bake a cake. Figured it's a good opportunity to learn some English while I'm at it. Want to join me?
That sounds interesting. What kind of cake are you making?
I thought of keeping it simple with a vanilla sponge cake. It's pretty basic, but I think we can pick up some English vocabulary and phrases while we chat. All right, let's get started on baking this cake. Do you have the recipe handy?
Yes, I have it right here. We'll need flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, and vanilla extract.
Great. Let's gather all the ingredients first. Can you pass me the flour, please?
Sure, here you go. How much flour does the recipe call for?
It says 2 cups of flour. Let's measure it out carefully.
Got it. While you're doing that, I'll crack the eggs into this bowl.
Perfect. Remember to check for any shell fragments.
Will do. Oh, it looks like we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit as well.
Right, I'll take care of that. Now, let's cream the butter and sugar together until it's light and fluffy.
Should I add the eggs one at a time while you're doing that?
Yes, that's correct. Slowly incorporate them into the mixture.
All right, the eggs are all mixed in. Should I sift the flour and baking powder together now?
Yes, please. That will help ensure a smooth texture for the cake batter.
Done. Now, I'll gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture.
And I'll pour in the vanilla extract for flavor. This batter is looking great.
Agreed. Now we just need to pour it into the prepared cake pans and pop them into the oven.
How long do they need to bake?
The recipe says about 25 to 30 minutes, but we'll keep an eye on them to make sure they're done.
Okay. While they're baking, we can start on the frosting.
Of course. Let's check the recipe for that and gather the ingredients.
All right, for the frosting, we'll need powdered sugar, softened butter, milk, and cocoa powder.
Got it. How much powdered sugar do we need?
It says here we need about 2 cups. Let's sift it into this bowl.
Should I start creaming the butter while you sift the sugar?
Yes, that's a good idea. Cream the butter until it's smooth and creamy.
Okay, I'll do that. How much cocoa powder should I add to the mixture?
It says 2/3 of a cup. Make sure to sift it with the powdered sugar to avoid any lumps.
Will do. Should I alternate adding the milk and dry ingredients like we did with the cake batter?
Exactly. Gradually add the milk and dry ingredients while mixing until the frosting is smooth and spreadable.
Got it. This frosting is looking delicious. I can't wait to taste it on the cake.
Me too. Let's set it aside for now and check on the cakes in the oven. The cakes have cooled down. Shall we start frosting them?
Absolutely. I'll spread a generous layer of frosting on the first layer of cake.
And I'll place the second layer on top. Let's make sure it's centered.
Perfect. Now, we'll frost the top and sides of the cake until it's completely covered.
Don't forget to smooth out the frosting for a professional finish.
Of course. Wow, our cake looks amazing.
It does. I'm so proud of how it turned out.
And we've practiced our English along the way. Double win.
Definitely. Now, let's slice into this masterpiece and enjoy our delicious creation.